was cleaning my garage up this last week, and I came across this very oil-soaked drawing. And what it was is I designed a fastening system to go on my '64 Impala. And what this is this piece gets welded into the body. And I'll just unscrew this first. And you weld it, you drill a 3/4 inch hole in a piece of 1/8 inch plate, and it's designed to locate this stud here, which is also, you weld into a piece of like 3/4 inch plate. And what it allows you to do is set this piece down, and this part gets mounted into the roof. It sets down, it locates into this here boss, and then you have the actual attachment piece that threads in and locks down solid. And it was designed such that you'd probably never have to replace it, but I think I'm going to change these out, make a set of stainless bolts for it, because now the corrosion's starting to set in, it's getting a little rusty. I heat treated the original ones to make them last a little bit longer. But also, because it's designed for a top, we'll get this threaded back in there again. You don't want this bolt to scrape up the paintwork. So I designed it where it's actually threaded in the top, so you can pull the bolt up a little bit further, and now that just the post comes down, so you can just line it up, thread in a little bit, it drops down, then continues the rest of the way. To make sure we had minimal contact patch, it's actually just contacts on the inside in here. It's got a tapered seat, just to give it that minimal amount of drag possible, because this is just intended to be a hand thread. But plenty of thread engagement. But yeah, I think I'm going to redo the piece, make some stainless steel ones, because this is just needs to be better.